Tuesday, January 26, 2021, and I am live in Ms. Ortiz's classroom with two students from Ms. Martinez's class, and their names are. Will you please join Penelope and Aisa as we stand and do our Pledge of Allegiance to the United States flag. At this time, stand, place your hand over your heart, and face the U.S. flag that is in your classroom. I pledge allegiance
to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation,
under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we'll do the Texas flag.
under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos y a la república que representa.
Una nación bajo Dios invisible
Con libertad y justicia para todos. Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas.
prometo que
Fidelidad a ti, Texas, bajo Dios, uno y indivisible. At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated. It was pointed out to me that we did not do our Monday meditation, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and get comfortable in your seat. And if you can, put your feet on the ground. Put your hands on your legs. If you're comfortable, you may close your eyes or you may keep them open. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to practice our deep breathing. So go ahead and take in a deep breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release quietly from your mouth. We're going to go in and take another deep breath. Let's go ahead. And release. And on our final one, I want you to think of all the things that you're going to do today and how you're going to make every attempt to do the very best you can. So we're going to take it in for a count of 3. You're going to breathe in through your nose. Let's go. And then release quietly. All right. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. At home, on the bus, and during your school days. If at any point you do not feel this way, please find an adult in your life and let them know. If you are unsure, find the adult in your life and ask them, what does it feel like to be loved? What does it feel like to be safe? And what does it feel like to be respected? We continue to be a no place for hate school. And we continue to treat everyone fairly, to do our best to be kind to everyone. If we see anyone being hurt or bullied, we tell a teacher. And we help others feel safe and happy at school. We continue to be a school that is no place for hate. Happy birthdays. There are no birthdays today, so happy unbirthday to you. Today is the 81st day of school, and students, I am so excited at how you participated. I love seeing all the bright colors, the big hair, the leg warmers, the hats, the jewelry, the fanny packs. You guys look great. Teachers, if you have any pictures, you can go ahead and send them down, and I'll go ahead and send those out to our Facebook world. Today we also have a 3rd to 5th grade reading cumulative Unit 1 assessment, so good luck to those students. The character education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. Amanda Gorman, the Youth Poet Laureate who spoke at the recent inauguration, said this about braveness. There is always light if only we are brave enough to see it, if only we are brave enough to be it. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.